täna ma võtan teid sellise saali kaasa nagu Varjuden.
I don't do this for the riches, I'm infected, my condition is I'm always in my head. These words are my religion, I'm obsessed by this thing that I come back to life. Stronger. But you didn't think that I come back to life. Stronger. But you didn't think that I come back to life. I do this with conviction, I write truths and never fiction, my disease.
Vaadake, me oleme häkkerid, me laseme kossi kummi natuke soojemaks. See nahku parem.
Vormel ühes soojendatakse ka rehvid ära.
Set me on fire, set me on fire. Whoa, whoa. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. Whoa. But you didn't think that I'd come back to life. But you didn't think that I'd come back to life. Stronger. But you didn't think that I'd come back to life. Bet you thought that I was dead, but I'm not dead, I'm not dead. Bet you thought that I was dead, but I'm not dead, I'm not dead.
Mina arvan, et siin saalis on kõige raskem see asi. Siin tuleb hüpata toruga ühelt platvormilt teisele. Ja see on väga hirmus. Aga järgmine kõige raskem on minu arust see. Linnupesand on selle nimi. Sa pead kiikuma, võtma toru ja panema järgmise auku. Võtma teise toru ära, nii kaua. Võtad selle jälle ja niimoodi liigud ühest teisele. Mis nüüd? Võtad lahti selle. Võtad selle lahti. Ma saan aru, siin tuleb lihtsalt läheneda strateegiliselt. Tuleb eelnevalt välja mõelda, kuhu sa need pulgad paned.
But you didn't think that I'd come back to life. But you didn't think that I'd come back to life. But you didn't think that I'd come back to life. But you didn't think that I'd come back to life.
Pane jalad külge, tõsta jalad külge. Jah. Ja nüüd võtad käega.
You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
I am literally in the air right now, rapping up a stewardess. First class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit this retro. Like the infrareds on my feet, baby, let's go. Send out what they know me by, logic what they call me. Gotta catch a flight with the fans when I storm me. Life of a dawn, change just glowing. Always in the lab with the fresh kicks on. I'm at the MGM, rockin' MCM. Bobby Sacks on my arm, it's only 10 p.m. Got a rat pack with me going ham at the hotel. Name brand, everything, fuck a wholesale, no.
Meil käib siin aja peale tegemine praegu. Sergo esindab vabadussporti. Ta on juba üle poole raja tehtud ja minut aega.
Everybody be sure, I'ma always want more. Does anybody make real shit anymore? Yeah, check it out. Yeah, now the grind never stops like I'm running from the cops. It's hard to stay humble when you're force-fed props, but I don't give a damn. I am just a man, I am not more important than any one of my fans. First name Bobby, so I'm all about the hundreds. Work so hard, everybody think I'm blunted. Gunning hard with the mask and Glock, and I'ma stay with extra clips till the casket drops. Finna blow in the next 3 years, tops. Talking worldwide, not just hip-hop. Rappers nowadays so flip-flop. Talking about you wanna work, motherfucker, kick rocks. I am on the come up, headed to the top. Reppin' MD, and never will it stop. Me and the crew, V's up, visionary, what it do? Step to the mic, lyricism, and so we go hard. Only on campus when I wanna study abroad. Guess that's why they wonder if I